Hello class, welcome to week 4 of our capstone course. As always, make sure that you check the announcements when you first enter into the course shell. This is where I really try to post what I can to help you out throughout these 8 weeks. So really make sure that you check here. Let's go to week 4. When you get into week 4, as always, you'll see the Week at a Glance PDF document. And if you click on that, you'll see a quote, the CLOs, the course learning objectives, and then what is expected of you this week. So the blue items are what is graded throughout the week, and then the ones that are not in blue are the ones to continue to work on. You can see a graph here that talks about the ungraded assignments that are going to be helpful in building on additional assignments as we're coming through these in the upcoming weeks, and then what is graded. So specifically this week we have the discussion board, which you are to submit your initial post Wednesday by midnight, and you are to respond to 3 peers Sunday by midnight. In addition, you are to submit your signature assignment number 1 Sunday by midnight. So let's look at some of these folders down below, and then I'll direct you to the folder that really talks about the signature assignment in a bit. So if you go in the assignment section, you're going to see the discussion board that's listed here, talking about values and culture, and then the signature assignment submission, which is through Turnitin. So if you click here, you are going to be directed to another page that will allow you to upload your document for the signature assignment number 1. Now, a little bit about Turnitin. Turnitin is an application that will compare your papers to a database of papers and then come up with a similarity index. Now, since your papers are about you and your growth, the similarity index should be very low. If the index is high, this is suggestive that the material from your paper has been found in other papers throughout the database. So the aim is obviously if you are utilizing someone else's research or trying to cite from another source, make sure you cite your references. But there really shouldn't be many references, if any, throughout this paper, as it is about your own growth and your journey and your process. So that's my little caveat about Turnitin. You might notice when you are submitting it that it might take some time to be included in the database, but don't worry. If for some reason when I'm working on grading your papers next week I don't see it, I will reach out to you. So that's what's in the assignment section. Now the values folder has some documents to help you think about your values. Actually one document. So that's going to be useful as you're moving forward throughout the rest of these weeks. We look down here, there's some activities here to help you to determine your core values as well. So you can click on that and go through these various activities to assist you with that. So again, what is due this week is the discussion board and the signature assignment number 1, and continue to work on the various activities that you see, as these will help you for your additional assignments that are coming up. Now I'm going to show you again, if you click on the course information page and you scroll down, remember there's this folder here that has all these different templates to help you for your assignments, and you will see here you already submitted your mission statements and goals, that they will note here graded assignment, graded assignment, graded assignment, graded assignment, graded assignment, graded assignment. So for week 5 and week 6 you have several documents in here that aren't graded, but they're useful in helping you to complete assignments that are going to be coming due in the future. So let's look at assignment folder, and specifically if you come in here you're going to find signature assignment number 1. If you click on this tab, it's going to take you to a PDF file that will talk about what is going to be graded for your signature assignment number 1. Now you have your personal goals, personal mission statement, and your short-term and long-term goals. These should have been already completed when you completed the assignment for week 3. Make sure if you had any sort of comments that I suggested you make changes for your signature assignment that you correct them so that you can get as many points as possible for signature assignment number 1. Now the part of the table that wasn't filled in, that hopefully you've been working on weeks 1 and 2 and 3, was the values in the Swot analysis. So that's what you're going to need to make sure that you fill in through the table. Now for your submission, you're going to have the table that you see here table full for mission statement and signature assignment document 1. That's what you're going to fill in, and that's what you're going to submit, the actual table. So again, you should have already had your mission statement, accomplishing mission statement, long-term and short-term goals completed. And then for the rest of your submission, you're going to have your values, your strengths, your weaknesses, the opportunities and threats. That's what's going to be expected. And again, if you click on this table for mission statement and signature assignment, you will come up with this, a Word document that you're going to be able to complete. And it says, use this to complete for signature assignment number 1. So you're really going to type in sentences in these different sections, and that's what you are going to submit via Turnitin. You can go back to the course information page. And if you go to the very bottom or close to the bottom, you're going to find the rubric section. Now, if you click on the rubric for the signature assignment, you will come to this page. And this tells you exactly what you need to do for your mission statement, for your goal setting, for the values, for the SWOT, for the opportunities and the threats in order to earn the highest grade possible. So this is the rubric that I'm going to use for grading. And remember, again, that is on the course information page. Go down to rubrics and you will find the one that you need for the signature assignment. So you can look in week 4 to help you figure out what you need to continue to work on, what is due this week. But remember, on the course information page, there's a lot of valuable information for you in regards to specifically the signature assignment, what's expected, and then the rubric for what is expected for the signature assignment in order to get the highest grade that you're able. Please let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Like I stated last week, it's going to get really busy from here on out, and it's imperative that you work on the exercises that are included each week that are graded, because those exercises will build on these bigger assignments, especially when you're looking ahead to the signature assignment 2 and your final portfolio. Please reach out to me as you need to. I would like to help you in any way, shape, or form that I can, but I don't know and I won't know if you need help unless you reach out to me. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the forums.